Here we go. It is tails. Going first or defer?
I'll go first, please.
Okay, Ben, you're going first. You guys ready?
Mila was born in a small Russian iron mining village called Kostomuksha, about an hour by car from the border with Finland, or as the locals call it, 10 hours by donkey. And strictly out of curiosity, when I found that out, I Googled a map of the Chernobyl radiation zone. I was shocked when I found out that Kostomuksha actually lies just outside of that zone. My next Google search was for whether or not they had a large amount of bees in the area.
Hey, I'm sweet like honey, you know that. Hey guys, give it up to Ben. He's taking time away from drawing penises in the public bathroom toilet. It's very nice. So, Ben left America to become a white savior in the West Africa. And since then, he's been living in the Netherlands and in Spain, which just proves one more time that Americans are shit at geography.
After 6 full years following an economics program for her bachelor's, Mila finally dropped out, making her what some people would call a failure and what other people would call a comedian with 1,500 followers on Instagram.
Follow me, baby. Okay, guys. Ben looks like he shares his Pornhub account with his uncle, right? Actually, no, Ben, you look like 12, and this mustache looks fake. It looks like you drew this mustache with a marker so your gym teacher can take your relationship seriously.
I was actually accused like about an hour ago of having a fake mustache. That's not a joke. I want to take a pause here real quick and just ask everyone to, like, real quick in your mind, just think of like a couple names of like famous fashion designers. All right, now that you guys all have a few of those, there's a reason none of those are Russian. That's the reason. Mila looks like she walked into a ski town thrift shop with a blindfold on.
Holy shit.
Hey, I have a laundry day, okay? Ben, how do you look at the same time like a pizza delivery guy and the teenager who beats him up on the street? So guys, when I watch Ben performing, I think about Morgan Freeman. Deep voice, low energy, and many people would wish he was dead. What's the news?
I used to hang out rather frequently with Morgan Freeman. I'll talk about this some other time. I told my Finnish friend Joni that I would be roast battling with Mila, and I told him that she managed to emigrate to Finland actually as a young woman, and he said probably just found the right border guard to sleep with, and then he asked to see a picture of her, and then he said maybe just a cash bribe.
Hey, you know what? I'm across the border, so who cares? Ben looks like a guy who would queue up in stores just to sniff women's hair.
Last joke.
One thing you probably don't know about Mila, but that you probably would have guessed, is that she's currently going through a divorce. And originally, I thought that that must have been due to the Instagram reels. But upon further review of Mila, it was just having to talk to her.
Follow me to the bar and we can have a chat, guys. Guys, Ben told me he has sex addiction, and he and he used to work at the cemetery, which was the perfect combo because dead cannot say no.
All right, guys, that's it. Fuck yeah.